What's up guys, Zoe Hopper here with another video, and today I want to introduce you to one of my favorite indoor house plants, the Sansevieria, aka the snake plant. Now the snake plant is going to show up on just about any indoor house plant that you read up on because of the benefits, because it's super easy to take care of, and because they look great. So here I have a snake plant that I have been growing for a while, still young and small, and then here I have a rescue snake plant that we're going to repot today and trim up a little bit. So let's start with the care. Like I said, really easy to take care of, super durable, low light, requires low light, so you can keep it outside of the window space. If you don't have a lot of great lighting in your office or your home, that's okay. The snake plant will do just fine. And then watering. You really only have to water the snake plant about once a month. It holds water in its leaves, so that's why, it can thrive with really low watering. And so when you think about the main reasons as to why people struggle with their house plants, it's mainly those two reasons: the light, getting the light right, whether it's indirect light or direct sunlight, and then the watering techniques. So for those two reasons alone, highly recommend getting snake plant as one of your indoor house plants. Thinking about some of the benefits of having the snake plant, there's a lot of literature behind the snake plant being one of those purifying powerhouses and releasing oxygen throughout your space, which I think is really great. And then if you also read up on the snake plant, it's supposed to be a good luck charm for you. And so those are some of the benefits that I like to talk about. So let's get into the video. Going to be, again, cleaning up this one right here on the right and repotting it. All right, so usually when I'm repotting, I'm out in the garage, so I can just, have an easy cleanup. Don't have to worry about that too much. So today I'm going to get a box and try to repot that way. I tend to use Miracle Grow Moisture Control. It's in the blue pack. This is not an ad, but it's my favorite potting soil to use. So if you're looking for some, I highly recommend that. All right, so let's get into it. Anytime I'm repotting, I'm checking out the roots to see what they're looking like. These have started growing around the ball, so you can tell that it needs a bigger pot, needs a little bit more room to thrive. So I like to break up the roots and then trim off a little bit as well. All right, so as I'm working with this snake plant, you'll notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different root balls, if you will. Theoretically could make 5 different snake plants here, but we're going to keep them all in the same pot. But I really like to get through and, like I said, break up those roots, trim some if needed. A lot of these are breaking off quite easily, so it'll make for easy repot. All right, so that's the video. Got the snake plant repotted. Subscribe if you find these videos interesting or helpful. Let me know what you think about the snake plant, any other benefits or tips to taking care of it that you can think of. You'll see here that one of the leaves fell off, and sometimes I'll just put them in water for a few weeks and see if it'll root. Doesn't always happen, but sometimes you're surprised and then you've got another plant. So take care, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.